Hi, I'm Anna from Co-Wine. We're here today with the Fine Food Cluster at the ExCeL Arena in London for the Lunch Show, which is one of the most important trade shows for the food-to-go sector. We're here with 6 of our producers from the Fine Food Cluster.
I hope to achieve, meeting new customers is always my joy, and I work pretty hard at getting them onto the stand, so that's one objective. I like to export. We do quite a bit of exports with Cradock, so always looking for exporting or importing companies who are interested in savoury biscuits. And working with my fellow Welsh folks, that's not an objective but a joy.
The main objective is to speak to as many people as possible, get people drinking non-alcoholic beer, taste our beer, and obviously see how amazing it tastes really. So that's what we want to do today, and obviously pick up a few decent leads so we can do some good business down the line. It's really good as part of a cluster speaking to different people from different businesses, and it's quite good to just pass on the leads, and I can talk to someone and then the guys further down can speak to that same person, and we're doing it all in great synergy, working on this stand together. It's really good.
Yeah, well, obviously as a startup brand, having that connection, colleagues you can share ideas with, connections, it's been massively helpful. Yeah, we do a lot in retail, but we don't do a great deal in food service. So for us, it's opening up that whole new channel and obviously starting to put that Food Goodly brand out into the food service, on the go occasion really. So
The value of Co-Wine and the Fine Food Cluster is huge. It brings with it so many advantages for a small company like ours. So we get the networking, we get the individual support, because if you've got an exports customer you don't know what to do with, or you don't know if they're real or valued, you've always got someone to turn to for advice. It gives us confidence, and it allows us to collaborate. So we take on board other people's problems and they take on ours and help us resolve through collaboration.